Hi, boys and girls. How are you? It is Thursday already. I can't believe how quickly time is just going. Are you ready for your phonics lesson for today? Before we do our paper, we are going to go over some special sounds. So please make sure you do have your paper with you and a sharpened pencil. And we are on page 221. So go ahead and grab that. And if you don't have it, you can always put me on pause and go and get that. All right, here we go. We're going to start with the special sounds, please. And this is air in cherry, E-R-R. Here we go. And this is ton in mountain, T-A-I-N. You're in pure, U-R-E. What is this one? Chur in pasture, T-U-R-E. Very good. Which one's this? War in warm, W-A-R. Shun in nation, T-I-O-N. Shun in missionary, S-I-O-N. And this also says jeune in television, S-I-O-N. A in eight, E-I-G-H. In sailor, O-R. In dollar, A-R. I in crystal, Y. Okay, very good. So you guys are doing great. Just keep following along. I'm going to share my screen next, and we are going to complete this paper together. But first, you're going to try and do it on your own, boys and girls, because this is a little special paper that we would do every once in a while. Remember, in class, I would tell you just try butterfly to do it by yourself, because I want to know what you know, right? Not what your neighbor knows. So whenever you see that yellow box at the top, remember we're keeping our eyes to ourselves. You're at home by yourself this time, so I'm glad that you're not able to look at anyone's paper, which you would never do, right? However, you will do this paper by yourself, and then we will review it. Please try butterfly to not ask mommy or whoever's there for their help. I want to see what you know this time. So listen for the special sound that I will dictate, and you have two special sounds to choose from, and just choose the best that you can. All right, so let's go to the blue oval. You have two special sounds to choose from. You can go ahead and circle spool and splash, spool and splash. Listen for those sounds. Spool. Okay, just do your best. Now go on to the pink oval. Here we go. You have two special sounds to choose from. Please choose the best that you can. Listen carefully. Cur, cur in crab, cur in crab. Okay, now let's go on to the green oval. Please make your best choice between these two right here. Are you ready? Sk in scat, sk in scat. Okay, now let's go on to the yellow oval over here. Let's go ahead and you can choose from these two special sounds. Sh in ship, sh in ship. Okay, let's do the last oval, the purple one. Ready? You have two special sounds to choose from. Choose the best one. Spur, spur, spur. Okay, very good. Now, if you'd like to pause the video and listen to what I just dictated, that's fine. You can do that. We're going to go on to section 2, and in section 2, like I've always told you, you need to be careful because sometimes the directions will change. In this case, it says mark the vowels. You don't have to worry about any special sounds at this section, in this section, so you're just marking the vowels. Okay, so go ahead. You have 6 words that you need to mark only the vowels. All right, go ahead. Let me give you a hint. When you have one vowel in the word, it usually says the short vowel sound. When there's 2 vowels in the word, The first one takes the long sound and the second one is silent. And there's another rule. When two vowels go walking, the first one says the talking, right? And the second one is silent. That's right. So do your best. Okay, if you need more time, you can pause it. We're going to go to section 3, and again, the directions changed. Circle the special sounds. So you don't need to worry about vowels, only the special sounds. Let me give you a hint. Special sounds usually come at the beginning of the word, but sometimes there will be special sounds at the end. So I spy with your little eye for special sounds at the beginning and maybe at the end of a word, okay? You can pause the video and work on that. Okay, now we're going to go on to section 4, the last section. Again, the directions changed. Let's read them, please. Circle the word that completes each sentence. You have 2 words to choose from to plug into that blank in order for the sentence to sound like it makes sense. For example, I'm going to give you an example, right? So it says, Mike will ride and here is the blank, right? You have this blank and you have these words to choose from. You can mark these words over here for it to be easier for you to read if you would like. The same thing is for the bottom sentence. You will read the sentence and you will choose from these 2, okay? Again, you choose either of these words. Which one would you choose to plug into this blank? Go ahead and read them and then choose the best answer. You will circle which one of those words makes sense to put in the sentence. Remember, you've done this before. You can do it. Okay, nice. I'm so happy that you guys are doing this. And if you needed to pause the video, that was fine. We're going to go back and review this together because this is about learning. And I know that you tried, right? So let's go over this section 1. You needed to circle the special sound that I said. So the first one that I called out in the blue oval was what? Spl and splash SPL. So which one did you circle? Did you circle this SPL? Good, you got it right. Now let's go to the pink oval. Remember, even if you did not get it right, just circle the one that is correct. It's all about learning, boys and girls, so don't worry about it. You tried your best, okay? All right, so the pink oval is curtain crab, CR. Curtain crab, CR. So did you circle the CR? Good, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now we're going to go to the green oval, all right? Did you circle sk in scat SC? Sk in scat SC? There we go. Great job, you got it. Let's go to the yellow oval. Did you choose sh in ship SH? Very good. Again, if you didn't, just fix it. You could even cross it off and circle the correct one. And the last one, the purple oval, did you circle spur in spring? SPR, spur, spur. You got it? Okay, good. You did your best, and that's all that matters. Let's go to section 2. It said to mark the vowels. That's all you needed to do, mark your vowels. So let's go on to trip, 1 vowel, short vowel sound. Bake, 2 vowels. First one takes the long sound, the second one is silent. Let's go to the next one. Smile, 2 vowels. The first one takes the long sound, remember I, and then the magic E is silent, you cross it off. Then this one here is different. Hail, it's the same rule. You cross off the first vowel and the second one is silent, but this one, the rule says when there are 2 vowels in the word, the first one takes the long sound and the second one is silent, all right? Then the last 2, cap is short vowel sound, and hot, short vowel ah sound, right? Okay, so now let's go to section 3. Here it says circle the special sounds. Don't worry about the vowels in this section. Here we go, boys and girls. Sp in spade, SP. Did you do that? Okay, you're including the S and the P. Ghoul and glue, GL. Very good. Glad. Skr and scream, SCR. Be careful because that's a tricky one. Most of you, or maybe some of you, right, only circled the SC. Be careful because that is SCR, skr and scream, SCR. Remember, if you didn't do that, it's okay. Just remember it next time. Burr and brick, BR. Remember I told you that sometimes words have 2 special sounds and one is at the end, right? Here it is, K in duck, CK. And then this is cool and clock, CL, clam, and in twins, TW, and the word is actually twin. Okay, so I hope you got it. You can go ahead and, like I said, you can pause it and go back and correct it. Now let's look at these last 2 sentences. You needed to choose one of the words that are next to it to make sure that that sentence made sense. So let's see, let's read it together. Mike will ride the train, or Mike will ride the twig. Well, I hope you didn't mark twig because you can't ride on a twig, right? But you can ride on a train. So I hope you did that correctly. And if you did it, just go ahead and fix it. The last one is, I like to blank cake. Well, there's 2 words, right? Eat and hope. Which one did you choose? Is it I like to eat cake or I like to hope cake? Well, I don't know about you, but I like to eat cake, so you circle eat. Okay? I hope you followed along. And like I said, if you need to watch this video over again, please do so you could follow through with why I did what I did and you're learning, okay? I know you did your best and that's all that matters. I hope that you liked the paper and that you learned, and we will see you again tomorrow. It's Friday. It's Friday. Tomorrow's Friday, and it is going to be a fantastic day. So you have a nice day, okay? Love you guys. I'm proud of you. Bye.